Well, today you wouldn't believe what happened. I was just stepping over one of Tilda's brats to get into the laundry when I heard the master and the porter in the men's workyard. Now, the wall is too tall to see over, but we all listened, and we couldn't hear the porter proper because he mutter, but we heard the master saying, "Dear me," and "not hair," and then, "but I have a duty to the poor." Oh, Kitty say to me, "Trouble's coming to the workhouse, and I bet I know his name." And off she skipped afore Matron could stop her. Well, she was back in double quick time, looking even more pleased with herself than she normally do. "Well," say I. Pudden looked up from picking crumbs out of her hair and eating them, and Tilda wiped her little piggy red eyes. Even Matron listened, but was acting like she weren't. Kitty straightened her bonnet and lifted her chin. "Long Tom ha' been found," she say. "How about